Hello, and thank you for watching Creative Art Expressions with Sapphire C. This video I'm going to show you how to work round 7 of your fingerless glove. And the first stitch you will do a half double crochet increase. So I'll move this. It's the first half double crochet, and then the second in the same stitch for your increase. And here we're going to start to make where the finger goes. So then we do one half double crochet in the next stitch. And you will follow that by another half double crochet increase. So in here we will do 2 half double crochets. And it will start to, we will increase that in the next round, and it'll start to go out and make room for the thumb. So now you will work 22 half double crochets around, and at the end you should have a total of 27 half double crochets. And then I will be back to start the next round. I hope this has helped you. Please comment, leave a like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.